Hi everyone, Carol Brightbell. So in today's video, I want to show team drives, otherwise known as shared drives. What are they and how do we use them? What is a shared drive? Well, a shared drive is a space. It's a shared space where teams can easily store, search, and access their files from anywhere on any device. But one thing that's important, they allow better control for enterprise data and folder structure with tailored permissions so that the right users and groups can easily be granted access. Let's look at what a shared drive is versus my drive. A shared drive, the files are owned by the team and only be deleted by the users at the highest permission level, otherwise only the managers. My drive is an individual drive. That belongs to you. That is your personal drive. What are the benefits of a team drive? Most significant benefit of the Google Share Drive is the feature for the ability for teams to share files and keep them safe when an employee or a team member leaves the organization. Team drives make onboarding new hires easier because the new hires can have access to whatever the files are that are on that drive, and it's easy to manage and share permissions with employees and admins. Google has artificial intelligence, it has machine learning, so a team drive helps searching within the file structure easier. There are different levels of access. The highest level is the manager. The next is the content manager, contributor, commenter, and only a viewer. And when you have the different levels of access, you can also tailor them by making it view only, comment, edit, create new, share, move items, delete items, download items, and print items. So let's go over to a team drive and see the structure and see how to create one. So I have Chrome loaded, and of course to go to a team drive, you can go to your waffle and select the drive icon. When you look at the left, you have underneath the New button, Priority, My Drive, and here's where shared drives are. Now, shared drives are not available in a personal email account. It is only available in an enterprise or a business account. Selecting on the shared drive, you can see all the shared drives that I have. Right now, they are in the thumbnail view. You can select the icon in the upper right and change them to list view. One thing to know, when you select one of your shared drives, you can go to the I icon. That's the information icon. What that will do, that will tell you the details and the activity of that shared drive. It tells you all the people who have access of the shared drive, when it was created, who the owner is. When you go to activities, you can see a list of anything that was done within that shared drive and by the person who was the contributor. Also, when you have your shared drive selected, there's a 3-dot ellipse in the upper right that gives you more actions. These are the different actions that you can do within that shared drive. Manage members. You can email all the members of that shared drive. Very convenient. You can go to the shared drive settings. Tells you everything that can be done within that shared drive. Change the color of the shared drive. You can pick a picture from the gallery, rename it. Here's where you can do one of the machine learning searches within that shared drive. You can hide the drive or view the trash, meaning anything that was put in the trash from that drive. In order to create a new shared drive, I have to have the shared drives selected. And when I select new, now it will create a new shared drive for me. Let's select create. This takes me now into my shared drive. You can select manage members. This is where I can add new people to my drive. When I select that person, here's where I can give them their permissions. Do I want them to be a manager along with me? A content manager who can add, edit, move, or delete files. A contributor can only add and edit files. Commenter can only comment, and a viewer can only look. I can select new, and I can do a file upload or a folder upload to the shared drive. I can also create a new folder in the shared drive or select any of the Google apps, and when I create a new, it will be stored in that shared drive. Hitting the drop down under the name of the shared drive brings up the same information that was under the 3-dot ellipse. That's it. That's showing what a shared drive / team drive is. Remember, the importance of a shared team drive is that your content, your information stays in that drive if someone leaves your organization. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Have a great day.